G'day guys, this is going to be a really quick video on the suction control valve on the 1KD-FTV Hiace. So if you haven't got this longer type SCV and you're getting certain issues or not, or running, it's up to you. But once you get a few 100,000 Ks, you're seeing that you don't have this longer SCV. You've got the shorter SCV on the car. You can see it there. Replace it now. The bolts can be very, very tight. So I've come from this side, I've removed the wheel, and as you can see, I've got my 5mm Allen key in there. Now that bottom bolt was extremely tight, unusually tight, much tighter than the top one. And yes, you do not want to be rounding that bolt off. So I have come from here. I will now remove the tool. You can see that I've plugged off the line over there, and I've also removed the diesel. I've loosened the diesel pipe that is sort of obstructing that bottom bolt. And you can see it just down there. Now, that's the tool. Okay, make sure your tool's brand new and it's not worn. Get that bottom bolt off first, don't slip. And the rest is pretty self-explanatory with the O-rings and that. You can't fit this thing the wrong way around. Use a little bit of specific grease, or even a sort of thing like this. This is not Loctite. This we use on air conditioning O-rings, and it's just this sort of sticky stuff that you'll need to hold the O-ring on there. Obviously you want to lubricate your O-rings a little bit too, and these are the dowels to actually do the job. That's all the time I've got. Hope that helps. If you don't have this long one, upgrade it. You don't have to get genuine. There are other options, but genuine, they are $666.90. And there would be other options, but you'd want to get the actual genuine type. And that's it. There's also a gasket on the back of this that can move, so beware of that. Otherwise, it's not the biggest deal. You don't want any dirt in there, and you don't want to be rounding off that bolt, and there's a reason they give you new bolts. How tight do you want to do these bolts? I just do them to my experience. I'd say 35 Newton meters, something like that, but I shouldn't call numbers out when I actually don't know. We just do them till they're tight, go over them after 10 minutes once everything's seated. Hope that helps. Bye.